My lovely fans, so Yul Edochie don't cry out, go meet one of his family member. Go beg them, say, say they reach out to me. They are me and Daniela see the talk. Make them help him. Talk to Daniela. Beg Daniela. Me and Daniela see one on one. Make them talk. Say because he wants to see Daniela one on one. Make them talk. My people, no be smarting. According to Yul Edochie, he say he do everything when Daniela ask him, me into. He no know wetin Daniela wants me into for am again. He say still Daniela not still let go, not still forgive, and not still come back to him, make them dey as father as daughter. My people, carry your joko and your popcorn, make una hear tori. According to Yul Edochie, and wetin Yul Edochie dey tell a friend, and this is family member, when he call inside their family group, he say for that family group, Daniela dey close to this the family member where they reply to comment where they talk, they chat where for inside the group, they greet each other where. He say he no saying do bad. He said there was a time when he said Daniela call him, then he and Daniela see they talk to each other, even after when Canberra don't buy. When he and Juju Ekwensu they dance for social media. My lovely fans, so una go remember that time when Daniela remove Yul Edochie name for her name for Instagram and Facebook. And when she block Yul Edochie, unfollow Yul Edochie for Instagram, when every block carry him that time. Wetin really happened that time? Now, Yul Edochie don't bring her out. And the reason why Yul Edochie diverse and everything when it happen, and the reason why Daniela really provoke on Yul Edochie, even right now, as Yul Edochie come the beg, even as Yul Edochie come go do wetin Daniela tell her to do that time, Daniela no accept am back as a father. Make una come hear tori. According to the information, this Christmas period really hits Yul Edochie bad. The way Queen May go to London with her children go celebrate Christmas. It really hits her hard. It really make her feel bad. It really make her feel like he's in pain. Big pain. Everybody there with their family. But shame not let her go there with his side chick, Juju Ekwensu. Because he no want hurt the family again. He no want make daughter feel bad again. They say that time, my people, as Yul Edochie and Juju Ekwensu, they dance for social media. They do a similar job for Ezedike one of vintage. Daniela see they call Yul Edochie that time, they see they talk for phone well as father and daughter. Daniela can't call Yul Edochie for one video when he say he do, when he dey humiliating. Una go remember that video that time when they call to say, if they like me, they call you Ogbaje, I don't care, Mami Water. When a lot of block carry, even don't just that time carry, and today not Linda Ikeji, a lot of BB block carry that video that time, they call, they laugh them. So Daniela can't call her papa that time, tell and say, these videos when you did do so, she not like her. She the shame. The bully and the disgrace too much. They laugh her for school for everywhere. See wetin him father they do. Make your papa beg. Make it stop to do all this kind of video. They post for social media. How he want me she feel with his brothers. Me father stop. He dey hurt them. They use and mock them for school. Say their father don't abandon their mother, abandon them. Go the dance for side chick. It's very bad. Yul Edochie say he can't listen to his daughter say, what his daughter talk so na true. Na true. He say when he really reach us, he can't carry his phone. He want come begin to delete some video. He can't delete some. Now that time when you come they talk, hey, Yul Edochie don't delete video when you Juju Ekwensu do it don't lifestyle. He say early this year, be last day. Yul Edochie don't delete them. People come they talk. They say Juju Ekwensu converse. He said Juju Ekwensu converse. Miss him say, why ain't go remove the video? Now in talk say, his daughter cried to him. As a papa when he be, he feel the pain of his daughter. Say his children this thing when they do, they hurt them. They affect them. So he wants me, his daughter, make them they happy. So that is the reason why he want delete all those videos when they do, and he want stop to they post those videos for social media. You know what I mean? They do video together for social media again. You to say, how your daughter go they control you, Daniela? He said, now what did you to tell him? But that one no. You to confuse him, discourage him, not do that thing again. Why you come say now your daughter will come they control you? Who be Daniela when go they tell you what to do and what not to do? For what? For waiting they happen. He said, you to tell him those things finish. He can't really look at. Say, na true. Small pikin will come to tell him what he want to do. Now he can't tell and say, you go tell him, say, me go tell Daniela. If anytime when they post me, Daniela, they like and share the video. Me all those haters for that. If your mama like, make your mama accept the polygamy. He say he can't tell Daniela, when Daniela come back, say, he no fit do one. Because he look and say, you go soon, na still woman. He no fit go the disrespect her like that. But he no say, he dey feel the pain when Daniela dey feel, but he no fit do one. He say that one can't provoke Daniela. Daniela can go remove his name, come off for her name for Instagram. That time, Daniela can unfollow him. Daniela can block him. You know, for this life, every father always pray, wish for waiting to make their children they happy. They don't want to make their children start to get depression from small pikin, or can they get weak as they can they feel bad from small pikin, get hatred and pain right from small pikin can carry and grow. It's not good. That one affects so many people. We say waiting our parents do that time. So at this time, they train pikin, make them happy, not to come make them come they feel depressed and feel sad. So that one come make Daniela block her and follow her for IG that time when people come they talk her. According to what you leadership they tell this family member when see me help and beg Daniela, me they sing one-on-one talk so. He said na see come do and finish. Daniela come block him. He said from there he converse. He come the dance well. You request come they use him the dance well. Me they take pepper them. Me they take pepper them. Who eat the pepper so? His own daughter. Now in the pepper so for side chick. He said as he come they do am. Then later he can't really feel and say this thing when they do no good. After Juju Ekwesu don't born Universal Stone, now he can say no. He know they do again. He want day on it. He want your day on it. He can't really go YouTube channel, delete everything, wipe everything, come off for IG, delete all Juju Ekwesu videos, make everything they empty. Then no can they dance to Juju Ekwesu again on media. He can't leave her. Then he can begin to beg Daniela. This recent begging when they beg up and down, he can begin to beg Daniela. He said, but Daniela not can listen to him again, not can give her ear again. He can try to explain to Daniela, say, not being fault, not being clear, I ain't do those things. Now Juju Ekwesu they use for him. On a normal, he don't know what to make him do that thing. But this one is like, na sham Juju Ekwesu use for him. Say me Daniela I beg, listen to him. He said, but Daniela not going to listen to him again. Daniela can say it's too late. How can a father choose a side chick over his own flesh and blood? Say that kind of father not fit be your father. That kind of father fit buy her for side chick. So for that reason, she need to stay away from that kind of father. Daniela can't tell his papa like that. He says since that time, 19 the beg, he had that, Daniela will be that first daughter. His first child, his first fruit, but she no lay again, she no give her face again. Now in this family, this cousin, so when they talk to so you let to she family member son, you can't tell her say, then why you can't do this kind of thing? Small pikin don't come ask you, tell you say waiting the pain are. You're supposed to listen to that pikin, but instead you go listen to your side chick. Now you let she can't tell her say, in the pain, in one may help and beg Daniela. May call Daniela for phone, beg her. Me Daniela, if Daniela come back to Nigeria, may he and Daniela sit down, talk one on one as a father and daughter. May he lead down, beg her. May peace for him. Say in they really they in pain. He dey miss his children. The pain is too much. He no fit hide them anymore. Make this brother and a friend, this cousin brother son and a friend, make they help and beg Daniela. My people, not be small thing. No. You let those they really dey pass through a lot, my people. Not be small something. Make una leave an opinion under the comment section. Like and share this video. Follow for more.